Are you dealing with the annoying iCloud verification fail? There was a problem connecting to the server error on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's often caused by network issues or temporary server glitches. The good news? You can fix this pretty easily. In today's guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your iCloud working again. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, open any browser and head over to fast.com to test your internet speed. If your speed is low, turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, and then turn it off. Now try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes the simple step can improve your connectivity. Solution 2. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Then scroll all the way down and select Sign Out. After signing out, wait a moment, then sign back in with your Apple ID credentials. Now check if this resolves the issue. Solution 3. Update iOS. Go to Settings on your device, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. These updates often include fixes for bugs like this one, so it's always worth checking. Solution 4. Check Apple System Status. Open a browser and search for Apple System Status. Click on the official Apple System Status page. Now look for the iCloud services on the list. If there's an outage listed, you'll need to wait until Apple fixes the issue. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your passcode, then tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the iCloud verification failed error and reconnect to iCloud. That's it for this guide. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Got questions or need more assistance? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.